Dynamic pricing strategies for Airbnb hosts. Dynamic pricing is a crucial strategy for maximizing revenue and occupancy rates for Airbnb hosts. By adjusting prices based on demand, seasonality, and local events, hosts can optimize their earnings and attract more guests. Here's a detailed look at how to implement dynamic pricing strategies effectively. Implementing automated pricing tools. Automated pricing tools are essential for Airbnb hosts who want to efficiently manage their rates without constant manual adjustments. These tools use algorithms and data analysis to recommend optimal pricing based on various factors. Here's how to get started. Choose the right tool. There are several automated pricing tools available, such as Price Labs, Beyond Pricing, and Wheelhouse. Research each tool to find one that fits your needs and budget. Integrate with Airbnb. Most pricing tools can be easily integrated with your Airbnb account. Follow the setup instructions to connect your listings to the chosen tool. Set parameters. Configure the tool with your minimum and maximum price limits, booking windows, and any specific rules you want to apply. For example, you can set different prices for weekends versus weekdays. Monitor and adjust. While the tool automates most of the pricing, it's important to regularly review its recommendations and performance. Make manual adjustments if necessary to ensure your pricing strategy aligns with your goals. Understanding local market trends and events to adjust rates. Being aware of local market trends and events is crucial for setting competitive rates. Here's how to stay informed and use this information to your advantage. Research competitors. Regularly check the prices of similar listings in your area. Look for patterns in how they adjust rates for high and low demand periods. Monitor local events. Local events such as festivals, concerts, sports games, and conferences can significantly impact demand for accommodation. Use local event calendars, news sources, and social media to stay updated. Adjust rates. Accordingly, increase your prices during high demand periods and events to capitalize on increased interest. Conversely, consider lowering your rates during low demand periods to attract more bookings. Use market data, leverage data from your automated pricing tool or other market analysis tools to understand broader trends. Look at occupancy rates, average nightly rates, and booking lead times to make informed pricing decisions. Seasonal pricing adjustments. Seasonality plays a significant role in the travel industry, and adjusting your prices based on seasonal demand can greatly impact your revenue. Here's how to effectively manage seasonal pricing. Identify peak and off-peak seasons. Understand the peak and off-peak seasons for your location. For example, coastal areas may have higher demand in summer, while ski resorts are busier in winter. Plan ahead. Start planning your pricing strategy for different seasons well in advance. Consider using historical booking data to forecast demand and set prices accordingly. Offer promotions in off-peak seasons. To attract guests during slower periods, consider offering discounts, promotions, or added value packages. For example, offer a free night with a minimum stay or include complimentary amenities. Flexibility. Be flexible with your pricing and willing to make adjustments based on real-time demand. If bookings are lower than expected during a typically high-demand season, consider offering last-minute deals. Conclusion. Dynamic pricing strategies are essential for maximizing your revenue and occupancy rates as an Airbnb host. By implementing automated pricing tools, understanding local market trends and events, and making seasonal pricing adjustments, you can stay competitive and attract more guests. Regularly monitor your performance, stay informed about market changes, and be willing to adapt your strategy to ensure long-term success.